Hey guys, today I'm upgrading my old Dometic to the Velit 12-volt air conditioner. I do not have a huge battery bank. It's only 100 amp hour 12-volt lithium battery, and this bad boy is 1600 watt. Yeah, and it can drain my battery in less than 20 minutes. That's how I know if I want to go any place hotter in the summer, I need to upgrade, and that's what I'm doing today. So let's figure out how we take the outlet box out, and we will take off the roof unit. So now I can just push up the unit. Now all I need to do is to get on the roof and remove the unit. All right, so I just finished the hardest task, which is getting the air conditioner on the roof. So now it's on the roof. So we're just going to put this ceiling bracket onto the hole. This is a 14.5 by 14.5, which is the original hole that mounts the Dometic. Okay, so you want to join both tip of the sealant and just give it a little bit more here. Now we're just going to place the ceiling bracket onto the hole. Just to be safe, I'm going to apply a little bit more along the edge here. And then we're just going to place the conditioner inside. You want to use the foam blocks that come with the unit, this one, and stick it between the unit and the rooftop so it can provide support to the unit at the back portion. We're back inside, and let's tie it down. So the package will come with two sizes of the tie rods. Just to pick the size depends on the thickness of your roof, and have the nuts almost at the end, so it's easier to do it this way. At the four corners of the air conditioner, you can see here there are four holes at each corner that you insert your tie rods in. So all you need to do is just hand tighten this, and tie down the nut. Do it for all sides. So next step, we're just going to connect it to the power. Make sure you disconnect your battery before you do this. Otherwise, you may risk shortening your battery. Okay, that's one. Snap on the protector piece. And tighten up. Okay, snap. And just tuck them away into the ceiling. Just insert the mounting bracket in between your roof and your insulation, and just wiggle it in. So now just use a washer and the nut to tighten up. Tighten these, just to give it a nice tighten. All right, just stop in the moment when you feel like there's a little much tension, and yeah, just repeat the same thing for the back side too. All right, so now let's do the last step, which is to install this interior panel. So all you need to do is just secure the panel with the bolts that come with it. Now the unit is installed, let's turn it on. reading only 20 amps. This is a low setting. And let's turn it to the high power setting. This is a high power. Yeah, right now it's not super cold outside and we're locking around 35 amps.